Wow, what you are doing?
I'm drawing.
You're make drawing or you remove the what's that?
I
You
remove the
black.
black.
The black one?
If I remove the black, it's gonna become rainbow.
Oh, nice. Who give this one for you?
The eagle.
Ah, okay. What do you call this one? Stick pencil or what's that?
This one for the black.
Ah, to remove the black.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Do you see like this black?
Yeah.
Remove
this
like
one
this.
Ah, okay. So nice. Very nice. So you are the one to do this one down?
Yeah, me.
Ah, okay.
Me and Masuka.
Ah, doing so good. Very nice. And this one is the pencil. It's small, it's so short. It's like a pencil, color. Pencil color
But
pala.
it's broken.
Yeah, it's broken. You can use this one only the what's that? This one if you want to put colors, huh?
No, this one for dots.
Yeah. Okay. And this one, you see? Very, very nice. Nice doing. Very, very good. And this one is your activities at home. Can drawing. She can remove mo, diba? We are just here. We will just say hello. Thank you again for watching. Aray ko. Ayan. Nice, see. Remove. So, oh wow, see, nice na. Ting. That is for Sisi. For school for the, what's that mean, Sisi? Ayan. More time. Thank you again for watching. And say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.